So this is the spacebar key, and I'm in an Excel page, and this video we discuss what does a spacebar you do in this Excel. So if you want to select an entire row or entire column, then want to select this row or this column, then you can use the spacebar also. That is, you must okay, I'm pressing this control key and this space bar key, these two keys at the same time, then you can see that the entire column in this worksheet have been selected. And suppose if you want to select the entire row in this there is one row in this one column we have selected like this, and if you want to select all this row, then one row, then you must this is the space bar key and this is the shift key. So if you press the shift key and this space bar key, these two keys at the same time, you can see that entire row have been selected. That is, if you want to select this 12th number row, then if you move this here, click here, and after that you click this shift and space bar, these two at the same time, then you can see that they have been selected. And if you want to select this entire rows and columns, then you must press this control key, shift key, and space bar key. You must press these three keys at the same time, then you can see that the entire worksheet we have selected of the serial. See for more videos, subscribe. Thank you.